Hi and have a good day to everyone. Let me speak for Dr. Arlie Imperio, MD. Our topic today is to learn where is the DNA located in our body. DNA stands for DeoxyriboseNucleicAcid. And the DNA contains the code or the blueprint on how our body is created, developed, maintained, to survive and directly initiates the function of our central dogma of life or our biology. It is therefore important that we know the basic functions of the DNA, how the DNA stability is maintained, and how to repair damaged DNA. If we will look at the diagram, we will see that our body is made of many organs, each organ doing specific functions in our body, like the lungs for breathing, the stomach for digestion. Then, each organ is made up of tissues and cells. Then, the cell has its nucleus, and inside the nucleus are the chromosomes, and inside the chromosomes are kept the genes or genomes which contain the DNA. Therefore, where is the DNA located? Answer: inside the chromosomes of each cell. Cheers!